Hi Cancer, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message does resonate with you, Cancer, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. As this is a collective energy reading, it may or may not resonate with every single Cancer out there. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading here, Cancer. The first card that I've got for you here is the Six of Wands, followed by the Ace of Cups and the Five of Wands coming up strongly here as well. And the bottom of the deck I've got for you here is the Star card. So you could be dealing with an Aquarius or someone with a strong Aquarius in their chart. I do feel like that's definitely going to be a progress between you, within your life here, Cancer. This could actually be in a relationship with this Ace of Cups energy, or just in a general life here. I've got this Five of Wands energy, so I'm definitely sensing that in the past few months you could be actually having some kind of a fight, some kind of a misunderstanding, argument, either within people surrounding you, or this could actually be within yourself here, like some kind of inner conflict could be there, Cancer. But with this Six of Wands energy, I'm definitely sensing that victories will be there. I'm definitely sensing victorious movement and positive movement will be felt in the month of July for you. This Ace of Cups energy, I'm also sensing that at this point of time in the month of July, I do feel like you need to be focused more on your self-love, or basically on giving back to yourself. All this energy giving back to yourself, all this positive energy, all this positive thought to actually, like just basically giving back all the energy to yourself here. I do feel like you've been going through a lot of I do feel like you've been going through lots of emotional turmoil in the past few months here, Cancer. Like I do feel like you're kind of like having lots of argument with people, and even like within yourself here. The next card that I've got for you here is the Four of Swords. So I do feel like this is time for you to actually basically just put down all this negative self-talk, all this negative energy, all this argument energy, just basically putting it aside and just taking time for yourself here, Cancer. The bottom of the deck I've got for you here is the Nine of Cups energy. So I'm definitely sensing like in the month of July, you're definitely going to get lots of all your dream coming true here. So I'm definitely sensing more of this in a love relationship situation. I do feel like this could actually go through in your general life, since the most specific message that I'm getting for you here is self-love here, Cancer. I've got the World card coming up to you towards you at the bottom of the deck here. So this is basically an indication towards me that could be something that had come to an end here, either a relationship in the past, or you basically have left a job in the past here. That I'm definitely sensing like whatever that happened in the past that's basically causing you all this fight, all this misunderstanding within yourself, or even with some people around your life. This is basically time for you to actually put a stop on that. Just take a step back for a bit, just lay down all this worry, all this negative thinking, put it all into stop, and just focus on self-love coming up here strongly with this Ace of Cups here, Cancer. Overall, I'm definitely sensing lots of positive movement coming up for you in the month of July as well. I've got the Knight of Wands and the Two of Pentacles coming up here. So I'm also sensing kind of like sexual energy coming up towards you here, Cancer. This could actually be someone from your past try to come back towards you. But with this Knight of Wands energy, I do feel like you're definitely going to get an apology from someone from your past here. But with this Knight of Wands energy, I'm not getting that they are there for a long-term relationship. I kind of feel like they only come towards you for an apology, and just like just kind of coming towards you for this sexual energy coming up strongly here, Cancer, which I do feel like I'm getting lots of confusion, or kind of getting lots of imbalance in this situation. So I do feel like when this person tried to come back towards you, I do feel like this is when you finally have decided to just work on yourself with this Eight of Pentacles energy, because this is basically someone who have decided to just put everything in the past and just focusing on yourself, building up on yourself, focusing up on your career here. And I do feel like this person is going to come back. I won't say that they will come back to create a havoc or just to create a chaos in your life, which actually could also represent this Five of Wands energy coming up here. But I'm definitely sensing like when they come towards you, they just come it for a temporary. Like I don't see a long term yet coming up from your past person here. I've got the Wheel of Fortune coming up for you, so luck is definitely on your favor. And I do feel like this Wheel of Fortune, again with the current Mercury retrograde coming up here, I'm definitely sensing that you're going to be attracting lots of your access from your past here, Cancer. It's just that I do feel like you need to trust more your intuition on who you're letting it in, on what kind of person basically you are letting it back to your life here. I've got the Eight of Cups coming up here, so I do feel like some of this is basically the person that you finally have decided to walk away from, just living out in the past. And I do feel like when those person coming back here, I do feel like for you, you just basically need to stand strong and stand firm in your decision here. Again, I've got the Star card coming up for you here. So the month of July is definitely going to be a lots of healing. The month of lots of healing coming up for you here, Cancer. The bottom of the deck I've got for you here is the Nine of Wands energy. So I'm definitely sensing that you have gone through lots of pain, lots of past hurt in the past. And this is why I do feel like you are basically need to put all this energy, all this self-love into yourself first before going into a reconciliation with anyone from your past here. I do feel like the month of July is where you kind of need to take things slow here. I've got the Queen of Swords energy coming up here. You could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and I've got the Three of Cups coming up here as well. So this is what I mean. I do feel like when this person try to come back towards you, I do feel like they will still be putting you in a third party situation. Like I do feel like they've always been in this third party situation here. And I've got the World card coming up for you as well. So I'm definitely sensing like this is the energy that you've put a stop in the past. Like you're basically not going to revisit it. And I do feel like with this Mercury retrograde energy, these people will be trying to communicate with you or will be trying to come back towards your life here. With this Queen of Wands energy, I'm definitely sensing that you need to be in this the Queen of Swords energy here. Like basically you need to stand firm in your decision, standing in your throne, just cutting through bullshit, like just basically not going to entertain anyone coming into your life without any good intention here. So basically you need to be in this position that you're kind of not going to take anything less than you deserve. And for you to be able to be in that state, you need to be in this star with this emotional healing from this Star card here. I'm definitely sensing that you are definitely going to get lots of your wishes coming true here in the month of July. And the only thing that I'm concerned here is just this third party situation that will be coming up strongly for you here, Cancer. Let's pull up some advice card for Cancer. Again, with this World card, the message that I've got for you here is that it's time to actually put a full stop and do not keep revisiting this past. That kind of energy coming up strongly here for you, Cancer. What is the advice card for Cancer, please? Yes, so the advice card that I've got for you here is the Seven of Swords, which is an indication towards me manipulative energy, someone with sneaky deception energy here. I've also got the Ace of Swords and I've got the Six of Cups coming up here. So there's definitely going to be a reconciliation for some of you. I do feel like for others of you here, this past energy is definitely going to bring back a lots of immaturity here. And I've got the Seven of Swords energy and the Ace of Swords energy, which is, I do feel like, trust your instinct, trust your intuition here, because I do feel like some people who actually trying to come back towards your life here, having this sneaky attitude, having this manipulative attitude here, Cancer. And I do feel like this is, with this Ace of Swords energy, you are definitely going to find the truth. So basically, do not rush into reconciliation with anyone here, but just try to assess the energy, assess the people here, and finally, until you know that this person has a good intention towards you, and then you can move forward into the reconciliation here. The bottom of the deck I've got for you here is the Four of Pentacles. So again, I do feel like when this person try to come back towards your life, they will still be coming up with this shady guy kind of feeling I'm getting here, Cancer. Like I don't think like this person is going to reveal too much. you've got the high priest here, which an indication towards me you could actually be dealing with a Taurus or someone with a strong Taurus in the chart, or even could be a married person here as well. So this is what I'm getting, that I do feel like you're kind of coming up in this energy that the person does not want to reveal too much here, so they would rather like keep everything within yourself. That kind of energy I'm getting strongly here as well. So trust your intuition, follow your gut feeling here, Cancer. I do feel like these people coming back from your past, even though that for with some of them you could have a soulmate connection, I do feel like this is something like a karmic situation that is trying to enter your life once again here, Cancer. Alright, so that's it for your July 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.